Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Gemma 3 locally on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a developer, AI enthusiast, or just curious about running AI models on your machine, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First things first, download Ollama from the official website. Since we are installing on Windows, select Windows and start the download. Once the download is complete, install Ollama on your system. Next, open the command line and type the following command. If you get these results, it means Ollama was installed successfully. Next, go to the Ollama site and click on Models. Click on Gemma 3 and then just copy the command and paste it in the command line to install Gemma 3. Hit the Enter key and the installation will start. This will depend on the speed of your internet. The file size is about 3.3 gigabytes. Once it's done, it should initialize the model and allow you to generate responses. If you have a GPU, the process will be much faster. And that's it. You've successfully installed and run Gemma 3 on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.